Welcome home to 9252 North Agatha Drive. This is a lovely home in Citrus Springs, Florida. And we're going to take a walk through, and my job is to point out the things to you that you might not readily observe. So first off, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It was built in 2022. Now you'll notice some of the design features. We've got the deco nooks where you can put plants and decorative items, collectibles, whatever you might have, even on top of the nice cabinetry in the kitchen. You can decorate up there if you like to do that and really customize this home. But we've got nice stone countertops, beautiful white shaker cabinets. Appliances are from 2022, so they're only 3 years old. The HVAC is 2022. The roof on this house is 2022. And the water heater, you got it, it's 2022. So everything's newer in this house because it was just built. And it's a very nice layout. If you notice, we just came to the right side of the home, and this is your primary suite. One of the things that I do want to note is new construction, you generally don't get ceiling fans with light kits. This house has ceiling fans and lights in every bedroom. The whole house is the luxury vinyl plank flooring. So that is beautiful. It's easy to maintain. If you buy this house and you're gonna rent it for any reason to another person, then you've got a nice setup where you have very durable finishes. Beautiful walk-in closet here in the primary suite, and then of course 2 sinks in the vanity and a good size shower. Also in this bathroom we have a linen closet, and that's really good space for the linen closet in the primary suite. So very well equipped. The windows are all double pane. We've got the blinds that are very functional where you just simply lift in order to open up these blinds. And then one of my favorite features are these tilt windows. Let me just demonstrate here quickly for you. If you, oh dear, maybe not. If we open the window, which this one doesn't want to cooperate, let's try this one over here. Oh, I may not be opening it correctly. Let's see what we have. That's open. There we go. Oh, that's what it was. I wasn't turning those correctly, but you see these little tabs here? You simply push those in and look at that. So when you're cleaning these windows, it's very easy to open and close these. All of the windows have screens, so you can, in the spring and the fall, you can open those right up and let that air flow through. We've got the laundry room to the left here, but I'm going to show you the other 2 bedrooms before we go that direction. So the first thing to the right in this hallway is your guest bathroom or your second bath. Huge vanity, tons of space, so that's lovely. If this is a family home, it's always nice to have a really good sized vanity. You've got the tub shower combo there, really good setup. This first bedroom, again, you've got the LVP flooring, the fan and light kit, and look at this cute walk-in closet. It's a little extra space in here, and if the kids want to play hide and go seek, they are set to go. Definitely can hide in there. Third bedroom, we've got the built-in closet here, and then of course another linen closet, and that is very deep, that linen closet. So let's step outside. I do want to point out to you there are some vacant lots around this property, so you have some extra privacy, and you're probably noticing that a lot of the homes in this area are new construction. So that's really good for values. You're not surrounded by the older homes, which we have a lot of those in Citrus Springs as well. Oh, look at the snake. Isn't that fun? It's one of those black racers, so they're really good snakes and not dangerous. Anyway, right there where you see the woods, that is private vacant land. And then Over here to the right side of the home is also another vacant lot. So you see that you've got nice wooded area in the back and on the side, and it just feels very peaceful. So little patio here where you can set up the grill. And one of the things too that's really neat is the elevations of this house. So it does slope from the back down to the road, but the house sits nice and high above the road itself. So your drainage is going to be good flowing down, you know, beyond the house site itself. So there you have it. This is a great option in Citrus Springs. It's a bit over 1,400 square feet, 1,440. And let me show you the laundry. So we do have interior laundry, and we've got the washer and dryers ready to go. We've got a nice utility cabinet, some extra shelving in the laundry room, and then this beautiful 2-car garage. And a side service door on the garage, which is always nice to have as well. And again, almost new home, move right in, start living the Florida lifestyle. So give me a call if you are interested in more information or a private tour. You can reach my team at 352-794-1426. We are RES Luxury Group with eXp Realty, and RES Luxury Group brings you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is always our guarantee. Have a great day.